Let me guess. You've heard about buying gold in your IRA, but the process feels confusing, maybe even risky. You're not alone. But here's the truth. Done right, buying gold in your IRA can be one of the smartest financial moves you make to protect your retirement savings from inflation, market crashes, and political chaos. Right now, with markets wobbling and the dollar losing strength, more and more retirees are looking for something stable, something real. And few things are more real than physical gold. But how exactly do you get gold inside your IRA without making a costly mistake? Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. You need a self-directed individual retirement account. Traditional IRAs from big brokerages won't let you hold physical gold. A self-directed IRA gives you control over what you invest in, including IRS-approved precious metals. Step 2. You'll need a custodian that specializes in self-directed IRAs. This isn't your average investment firm, it's someone who understands how to handle alternative assets like gold. Make sure they're experienced, trustworthy, and transparent about their fees. Step 3. Choose your gold dealer. But here's where most people get burned. Some companies push overpriced coins or promise free silver that's anything but free. Stick to dealers who work directly with your custodian and only sell IRS-approved metals like gold American Eagles, maple leafs, or bullion bars that meet the 99.5% purity rule. Step 4. The gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can't store it at home. If someone tells you that you can, run. It has to be in a secure, insured vault managed by a third party. That's the law, and breaking it can trigger massive penalties. Step 5. Once the gold is purchased and stored, it officially sits inside your IRA. You can track it just like any other investment in your retirement account, except this time, it's physical gold, not paper. Now here's the aha moment. This process isn't about just buying metal, it's about creating real diversification. Stocks crash, bonds erode with inflation, but gold? Gold's been a store of value for thousands of years. And in a time where retirees are being squeezed by everything from rising taxes to unpredictable market swings, having a portion of your savings in something that doesn't rely on Wall Street makes a lot of sense. You don't have to become an expert to do this right, but you do need the right guide. That's why we created a free gold IRA guide, specifically for Americans with $100,000 or more in their IRA or 401k. It walks you through everything you need to know, without sales pressure, without gimmicks, and with a free no-obligation call where you'll speak directly with a real expert one-on-one. You worked hard to build your retirement. Now it's time to protect it, for yourself and the next generation. Get your free guide and book your educational call today. No pushy sales, no bait and switch. Just honest, clear answers to help you decide if a gold IRA is right for you.